What's going on, everybody? Tron Effect here. What I got going on is a budget PC build. Definitely back in the old days. As you can see, these are Z97 Gaming 5 laptop and a 4790K CPU and 16 gigabytes of RAM. Yeah, back in the days, this wasn't a budget PC build, but you know, I found a good deal on these, and I'm building this for my brother. So pretty much I just showed him this, and he's like, I told him, you know, hey man, this is a good deal. You can still do some good gaming with these parts right here. Shoot, I'm still running a 4790K on my PC, you know, and that thing runs great, and I'll probably keep it for a few more years, definitely. So this build's gonna have 16 gigabytes, the 4790K CPU, the Z97 Gaming 5 motherboard. I got a dark power, the Be Quiet 1000 watt power supply. Has been laid around my place, so you know, I'm giving that to my brother. I just don't have the power cord, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to rig this up. I know I got some cables from an Ultra power supply, a modular one, that I can probably do some modifications to make it fit in here. Hopefully that works. Maybe get some I'll figure something out. Running an H75 water cool system. Pretty cool. And this is my old build case that I had back in the days. I gave it to my brother, my older brother, and he built his PC out of it, and he built another PC, which if you watch one of the previous videos of my PC build, that's his. So check that one out, and if you like it, put a thumbs up, and if you like that too and this video, hey, subscribe. Totally appreciate it. And I'm gonna run a M.2. This is also from one of my old PC builds that I did a Hackintosh using M.2. You guys all probably seen that. 256 gigabytes. I'm gonna actually put Windows 10 on this one, and I got a solid state. I think it's like a 64 gigabyte solid state drive that I got somewhere in my stash somewhere. My junk of craziness over there. But yeah, it's 64 gigabytes down. I'm gonna go ahead and put Catalina on there, Mac OS Catalina. So it's gonna be a dual boot system, and yeah, Windows 10 and Mac. So yeah, my brother, he does a lot of paintballing, so he can actually use definitely use that Mac OS to do some video editing. All right, cool. Without further ado, let's get this baby built. All right, let's get this build started. Right in the middle, perfect. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and install this M.2. This is PM961, 256 gigabytes boot drive. Figure I do this time-lapse stuff, you know, where they fast forward in these videos while they just build it. I'm just gonna try to hurry up and just do it fast, that's all. So, you know, actually I don't even know how to do that stuff, so figure out how I'm gonna make everything work out. Speed it up. Let's put these RAMs in. Nice looking RAMs. So the eBay guy, according to his description, he said these parts are pretty much new. I doubt that. You know, these are from what? This is a what? 2014, 2016 build. 16 gigabytes. That should be good. Definitely could play some good games with that. We'll go ahead and pop these guys in. Man, those are nice. This guy's good. CPU is already in there, as you can see. Take a look at these rip jaws. CPU. Yeah, before I clean the CPU with this stuff. I always clean my CPUs with the Arctic clean stuff, and I had this for at least, I don't know, 4 or 5 years. Last me a long time. So if you guys are interested in any of this stuff, check in the description. You know, there might be a referral where they do that stuff. Affiliate. Sorry about that, homies. Feel free to listen, ramble, do whatever. Go ahead and just push this stuff in. Only one problem. I don't have the screws for these. Dang it. Just applied some. Got it. This is pretty cool. Gaming motherboard. I'm sorry, busy gaming. I really hope this CPU works. We'll see. Jinx us already. Oh man, I don't have any mounts for motherboard mounts. Dang it. What am I gonna do?
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Jungle.